Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is printing output. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, click on my playlist link given in the description. Or click on the link at the top right corner of the video. Before moving on to the video, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the 7th topic in Python Basics. Print function is used to print or display output to standard output device. This is a simple syntax to print a single object or a value. Here the object can be a literal or a variable or an expression. These are the examples of printing literals such as integer, float, string, etc. Printing variables and printing an expression. Let's see a demo on printing single objects. Printing an integer, printing a float, string with single quotes, string with double quotes. Let's print a multi-line statement using triple single quotes. Printing a multi-line statement using triple double quotes. Let's print a variable. Let's print an expression. Printing multiple objects. This is the syntax to print multiple objects. We can print multiple objects or values by passing objects separated by a comma to the print function. These are the examples. We can also print objects with different data types. Suppose that we want to print a combination of string, integer or any other data type expression. The print function will automatically convert the other data type expression to string and print the output. These are the examples of print statement with a combination of different data types and expressions. Let's see a demo on using multiple objects or values. I am printing strings separated by comma. Printing integer value separated by comma. Printing float value separated by comma. Here I am printing values with different data types. Let's try another example. Let's print variables and expression. Let's explore the print function with optional parameters. This is the syntax of print function with all the optional parameters. There are objects separated by comma. The parameter sep specifies the separator between each value. It is optional. If we don't provide any value, then by default sep is equal to a single space. The parameter end specifies the end character, and this is also optional. If we don't provide any value, then by default end is equal to a new line. The parameter file is used to print the output to a file instead of printing to an output device. Default value of this parameter file is equal to sys.stdout. The parameter flush is used to clear the output stream. Default value of this parameter is flush is equal to false. This example demonstrates the use of sep parameter. In this example, sep parameter is not specified, so the default value of sep is equal to a single space. So in output, you can see each value is separated by a space. Let's look into the same statement with sep parameter. If we set the value of sep is equal to asterisk, then in output, the space is replaced by an asterisk. This example demonstrates the use of end parameter. In this example, end parameter is not specified, so the default value of end is equal to a new line. So each time it prints something, it goes to a new line. If we set the value of end to something else, let's say end is equal to @ symbol. So now the print output is ended by appending an @ symbol and the prompt stays in the same line. Let's see a demo on using sep and end parameter in print statement. You can see that there is a space between each value because the default value of sep is a single space. Now each value is separated by an asterisk. The print statement will always print the output in a new line. Now the print output is ended by appending an @ symbol and the prompt stays in the same line. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.